Which of the following right? In the question right? In which of the following? Which of the following right? Don't tag. It will be recorded in the. Which of the following? Don't tag situations. Our parents will look at the video. Does the DOES does the list of numbers? Don't tag again. How many times shall I tell you? List of numbers. Don't tag. I shouldn't listen any word from yours. From an AP. From an AP. What is the question? Question here is what is minimum? The minimum taxi fare is the minimum. Question. Don't tag. The minimum taxi fare. You separate sit. Sit there. It's you. You sit this side. You sit this side. Daily sit in that way. The minimum taxi fare is the minimum taxi fare is 2 rupees 220. 20 for the first kilometer. For the first kilometer, write down all of it. For the first kilometer, and there, don't tag, and there, thereafter 8 rupees. 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. For each, don't tag additional kilometers. Additional kilometer. Additional kilometer. What is given here? What is given here? See, listen to. The minimum taxi fare is 20 rupees. What is that? The minimum taxi fare is 20 rupees for the first 20 kilometers. 20 rupees for the first kilometer. For మొదటి కిలోమీటర్ కి 20 రూపాయలు. అంటే A1 is equal to 20. A1 is equal to 20. A2 is equal to A1 is equal to 20. A2 is equal to how much? Later on, thereafter 8 rupees per each additional kilometer. Means 20 after what is that? 28. 28 after A3, 28 plus 8. 36. Next.
42.
8 of 42. So on. 44. This is so on. What is that common difference? A1 is the first term. A1 is the first term. Common CD is equal to, common difference is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 28 minus 20 is equal to 8. This is 8. What should we call? The minimum taxi fare is 25 for first 2 kilometers. Which of the following situation does the numbers form an AP? AP ga form aidha. List of numbers forms here. What formula should you use it here? What formula should be used here? Tell me. What is the formula? For the last term is equal to last term. AN is equal to AN means last term or nth term or A plus N minus 1 of D. What is A here? Substitute. A is 20. 20 plus, tell me. You are not making home. N. What is N? N. What is n? You will have to find n. N is not given here. That's why n minus 1 of d how much? 8. Then 20 plus 8n minus 8. What is this formula? N is equal to an is equal to an is how much given? An is given or not given? What is that? Sorry. Next 20 minus 8 how much? 20 minus 8 12. Plus 8n. How do you find m? Adiga sir, m what is the finding? An is equal to ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు? An is equal to what is that? What is given? We have here given only AP. We have to find. What is AP here? AP is this. This An is not given here. That's why it is not possible to find n. That's why it is not possible to find n. What we are asked to do? We are asked to find just whether it is AP or not. The numbers are AP or not. That's why it is an AP. Write down. It is an AP. It is an AP. Next second question. Have you done or not? Tell me third question. Third question. Tell me. Third question. Third question. Tell me. Okay. Third question. I will. That is AP or not? A plus 2D is equal to how much? AP or not? You have to prove. ఇంకా ఏం రావచ్చు మనం చెప్పండి. A plus D is equal to how much? 20 plus 8, 28, and A plus 2D is equal to 20 plus 2 into 8 is equal to 36. ఎట్లా అయినా రాసేయచ్చు స్పీడ్ గా. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ రైట్. కమ్ టు థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. థర్డ్, what is that? The cost of digging a well of revenue meter of digging when it costs 150 for the first meter rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. The cost of digging a well for every meter of write down question. Every meter of digging costs 150 rupees. 150 rupees for each 150 rupees for first meter and rises by 50 rupees. For the first meter raised by చెప్పండి. For the first meter rises by 50 rupees for each square meter. For a square meter. For square meter, what is that? Same problem. This is also same problem. What is given here? For every meter of digging 150 rupees. For the first meter is raised by how much? How much? 50 rupees. Raised by 50 rupees. What is the first one here? What is the first one? Tell me. 150 is the A1. A1 is equal to 150. And A2 is equal to. Here fixed amount is there. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers obtained obtained by adding a fixed number. Here what is the fixed number we added? 50 is a fixed number. By obtaining, 50 is fixed number. That's why 150 plus 50, 200. And again adding to the preceding number. This 150 is the preceding number. 150 is what is that? Preceding number. To add to a preceding number. A3 is equal to how much? 250. And A4 is equal to 300. Here it is a AP or not? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equal to how much? 200 minus 150 is equal to 50. And A3 minus A2 is equal to how much? A3 250. 250 minus 200 is also 50. This is the 50 is the fixed number added to the preceding number. 50 is the fixed number which is added to the preceding number. Preceding number is before number. That's 250 here. This is 50 is here. We add it to it will come out 250. Next question. Write it down. Write next. We will do it. Next fourth one. It is very very important for 2 marks. The amount of money in the account at the end of each year when 10,000 is deposited. What is principal amount to say? Principal amount here we have been given. Principal amount is given. How much? Tell me. 10,000. 10,000 is deposited at the rate of interest. What is the interest? I interest is equal to 8%. How should you do? What is the percentage meaning? Percentage meaning 100. Do it. Do. First, what is the first term? How do you get first term? First term we get to first term get to what is the formula? What is the formula? Interest is equal to I is equal to 10,000 into 8 by 100. 8 by 100 2 cancel. What is really? What is 800? 800 rupees. Next second is equal to 800 into 8 by 100. How much?
60.
64. Is it correct or not? Why? What is the formula?
A2 minus.
Formula. What is the formula?
A plus B. PTR by 100.
PTR by 100. A into P plus P of 1 plus T R by 100. అమౌంట్ తెలియాలి కదా, అమౌంట్ కూడా చేయాలిగా. PTR by 100 చూద్దాం. PTR by 100 చేయండి మీరు. ఇక్కడ ఆపదు. చేయండి. డౌట్ చేయండి. PTR ఉపయోగించాలా, అమౌంట్ ఉపయోగించాలా? What is the formula here? Don't ఆపు. Don't stop. చెప్పండి. What is the formula for amount is equal to? We should need amount, but not this. What should be? Is it correct or not wrong? Tell me. Wrong. And then okay. What is the formula for? Amount is equal to principal plus see it. Principal plus PTR by 100. Okay na? 100 into what to the half n. What is the formula? That is here and what is this? P of amount is equal to here P is there 1 plus P is there got 1 into time 1 year. Time 1 year into R is by 100. This is the formula. What is the formula? What do you write? P into 1 plus R by 100 over to the power of IN. What is first term here now? Tell me. What is the first term here? Tell me amount. Amount is equal to how much P? P 10,000. Write down 10,000 plus our rate of 8 by 100. సింపుల్ గా చేయొచ్చు ఇక మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇవ్వలేదు కదా ఎన్ని లేదు ఎన్ని ఈజ్ నాట్ గివెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ చెప్పండి అన్ని పర్సనల్ చెప్పండి ఏపీ ఇప్పుడు నవ్వు ఏపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు చెప్పండి ఏపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ చేయదండి యు ఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ డూ ఇట్ డూ ఇట్ డూ ఇట్ ప్రాబ్లం you will have to do